Welcome to my Origami Kharadee channel. In this video, I will show you how to make beautiful, realistic-looking 3D paper flowers that look elegant, artistic, and surprisingly realistic. All made with simple, low-cost materials that you can find at home or in any basic stationery shop. This DIY paper flower tutorial is designed especially for beginners, but it's also great for anyone who loves crafting, decorating, or working on creative projects in their free time. We will be using basic supplies like colored craft paper, scissors, glue, and a pencil. If you have a small round object like a pen, stick, or paintbrush handle, it can help to shape the petals more smoothly. These materials may be simple, but the result is something truly beautiful and decorative. I'll begin by teaching you how to choose the right type and size of paper, then guide you through the process of drawing and cutting flower petals. You don't need any templates or stencils. I'll show you how to create the shapes by hand. After that, we'll shape the petals by curling and folding them gently to give a natural 3D look. You'll see how even a small curve in the paper can completely change the appearance and make the flower look more lifelike. Once the petals are ready, we'll start assembling them layer by layer, using glue to attach each petal in a circular pattern. This part is very satisfying, and you'll see the flower gradually take shape with each layer you add. We'll also create a beautiful center for the flower using either a rolled paper bud or small decorations like beads, pearls, buttons, or glitter. You can choose whatever matches your design. If you want to go further, I'll show you how to add green leaves or even make a stem, so your paper flower can stand on its own or be placed in a handmade bouquet. This craft is very flexible. You can change the color, size, or shape of the petals to create different types of flowers like roses, sunflowers, lotus, or daisies. You can use these flowers for a variety of purposes: wall decor, handmade greeting cards, gift box decoration, wedding or birthday backdrops, classroom decoration, festival decor like Eid, Diwali, or Christmas, or just as a beautiful hobby to relax your mind. Paper flowers are not only cost-effective and environmentally friendly, but they also never wilt, making them a long-lasting option for home or event decoration. Crafting is a great way to reduce stress, improve focus, and bring out your creative side. This activity is suitable for all age groups. Kids, teenagers, adults, and even seniors can enjoy making these flowers. You don't need any prior experience or artistic skill. Just follow the steps, take your time, and enjoy the process. So, if you're looking for an easy, fun, and meaningful DIY project, this video is perfect for you. I'll explain everything clearly and slowly, so you can follow along even if it's your first time trying something like this. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it, share it with friends or family who love crafts, and subscribe to my Origami Kharadee channel for more art, papercraft, and creative DIY ideas. Your support helps me grow and motivates me to make more beautiful and helpful videos for you. Let's get started. I hope you enjoy making these lovely 3D paper flowers with me. Thanks for watching.